So for today's activity, we're going to be using some different materials to make masking tape magic. What we have here is a piece of paper. You can use computer paper, construction paper, the back of a bill, just any plain paper that you have at home. We are going to be using masking tape for today, but you can use any tape that you have at home. You can use Scotch tape. You can use any kind of tape that you have at home. And then we have I'm using crayons, but you can use markers or colored pencils. Again, anything that you have at home, pens, papers, pencils. First thing you're going to do is you're going to get your blank piece of paper, and then you're going to use your tape. So we are going to get some tape off. I already have some pre-cut, and you're going to make letters or any kind of design that your child wants to make. I'm going to make an H. So I'm going to make 2 lines. I'm going to make 1 line in the side, another straight line down, and then I'm going to make 1 in the middle. Make sure that you don't put the sides of your tape down so you're able to peel it up at the end. The next step we're going to do is we are going to color over the tape. So your child can push hard just to make kind of an outline. So I'm just going to show you how to do that here. Again, they can use any colors they want. They can make a pattern, you can remind the kids that a pattern is something that repeats over and over. So you can use black, orange, black, orange. I know that comes next because that's something that repeats. You can talk to your child about what colors they're using, identifying colors doing this, letter formation when you pick that letter that you're going to make. So after that is done, then you have, again, another example I started with in letter A. So you have those done, and then what you're going to do is you're going to carefully peel off the tape. So I'm going to show you model what that looks like. You're going to go very slowly so you do not, tear your paper. So I'm slowly moving that off. Again, you want to make sure that you get the sides, everything that you want to show. So I'm peeling that off carefully. I have one that I have done for you here. I made an A on my paper. So this is the A, so I have my 2 lines. I colored on the outside, and then I carefully peeled off the tape. So you guys can add more tape and make more designs. You can work on zigzag letters or straight letters. Just make sure you're working with your child on those. You can talk about shadows and how once you take away the tape, it leaves a shadow effect on your paper. You can also talk about going outside and looking at your shadows, or how shadow needs a light source, so you can add, have that shadow effect. That is all we're going to be working with today. So that is masking tape magic.